Hi there! Are you getting ready for Step 2 CS? Think about this. Can you prepare for CS in 3, 4, or 5 days? Then why attend 3, 4, or 5-day workshops? Pay for flight tickets, hotel accommodations, take time off rotations. If you have to prepare before the course, then why pay so much? A successful pass in the Step 2 CS involves preparing in 2 phases. Phase 1 is the learning phase, where you learn how to present one case correctly. That is, pass ICE, CIS, and SCP in one case. Phase 2 is the practicing phase, where you practice one case under the time limit. That is, 15-minute encounter and 10-minute patient note. Target Usmle integrates both these processes seamlessly into one unique course, presenting the Complete Comprehensive Course, or the CCC. It's a handheld program where the tutor takes you from scratch, step by step, from where you are to where you need to be. CS ready in just 3 weeks. Best part? It's completely online. You need not disturb your routine. Take CCC at the comfort of your home at mutually convenient time slots. What do I get in the CCC online CS course? 24/7 access for 30 days to the complete CS study material, which includes the online videos plus the CS e-handbook. The online videos are lectures from First Aid co-author and CS handbook author Dr. Mary June. It also includes a physical examination demos and patient note typing demos. So it's just not lectures, but demonstrates what you need to be doing. You also get 6 personal coaching sessions with CS experts to catch your progress over time. Each tutoring session is 1 hour duration, 2 times a week for 3 weeks. Between the sessions, you get to work on the CS study material. Get better with each session until you're CS ready. It's that simple. What happens in the 1 hour personal session? The CS experts assess your presentation, critique you, give you time-saving tips, and correct patient notes. Get ready for CS in just 3 weeks. Why pay thousands of dollars for getting a group class when you can get personalized coaching at 1/3 the cost? Target's CCC course is the #1 choice for IMGs for the past few years. Why? Because it's proven, it's professional, and it's personal. Sign up today. Let's get CS done correctly the first time around. Step 2 CS. Do it once, do it right, do it with Target Usmle.